friends, today I have launched a new video how to earn online money through HTML and different types of things. So thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe and press the bell icon for more detail. So in this topic or in this session, I will teach you how to make HTML through Bootstrap and through coding standard. Friends, you can see the different types of open source market available in market. On those market you can easily upload your themes, HTML themes or WordPress theme and OpenCart themes to that market. But everybody knows about the coding standard. So in this video, basic things is covered by me is that first you have to understand the basic concept of theme forest, Mojo marketplace and many other things. They are accepting your themes through coding standard. So first upon I will teach you the coding standard. So first you have to concentrate typography, designing standards, typography standards as well as coding standards. In my next session I will teach you how to make HTML, how to make coding standard, how to consider the typography in your mind, as well as I will teach you how to make WordPress theme, proper WordPress theme for the open source market like Theme Forest and Mojo Marketplace, Creative World and all these things. So if you like my video, so please share. So in my next session I will teach you step-by-step procedure. This is my English version. In next video I will learn you or I will teach you how to make money through HTML and other things in Hindi. Thank you guys for watching my video. Bye bye.